Listen, there's a whole table of ingredients, even more here, some in the pantry, because we're on a roll, but a culinary roll, not an alcoholic one. Yes, that's what it's about. This is the second episode of this awesome series where we gave all the ingredients to chat. I put in the prompt. Your task is to create at least 10 dishes, each dish made with a maximum of 5 ingredients from the list. The rules. It's not about mixing random things, but about thoughtful flavor contrasts. And I was watching to see if he was listening to me. I wasn't even breathing, so we threw it all in and we're moving on with the dishes. Pork knuckle melt sandwich, sliced bread, 2 slices, roasted pork knuckle, sliced cream cheese, and pickled cucumber. Optionally, I'm not saying we have it, but we could use pickled ones. Heat up the pork knuckle in pieces, place it on the bread together with the cheese, and fry it in a pan covered for about 3 minutes. Roasted pork knuckle, first we'll fry it here. Hey, but that's what Christoph is doing. Do you like pork knuckle?
Well, actually, I don't know. I've eaten it, but I don't know if I like it.
I'm wondering if we should call Primos to eat with us. Crispy and warm. You know, something warm. We can, because later he doesn't have any. The same flavors were written as street food. Well, it's on there, but I'll tell you, it's starting to look good. You know, you'll like it. Yeah, I think so. But that cheese, when it melts, it's going to be like a tablecloth on the table. Look, just like in a fast food place. Come on, Krzyszu, put it down quickly. Primoz, it's me. Listen, I want you to appreciate what kind of friends you have. Last time you got a cold sandwich, I heated it up for you. You know what I mean? And now it's your turn to do something. Oh, how sweet, but you just brought us down. Yeah, no, because I know I'll be heavier if I eat your stuff, but that's how it looks. Well, I'll tell you, Sable's got some competition, but this just keeps dragging on. You just can't eat this cheese anymore, yeah. But this cheese is so sticky, it's like eating a bit of fudge. But you know what? It's American. You get messy with it, it melts, you eat the meat. But I would add something to it because for a bit of juiciness, I would add some pickled cucumber. Hey, it was supposed to be crunchy, the worst cucumber. Why is it so mushy? It's not optional, it has to be there, but the cucumber is weak. But if it was good, that cucumber would be a game changer here. If the cucumber was good, it would be amazing. It stands out. It's less sticky. Of course, but it's a good sandwich. It's good, guys. I wouldn't be ashamed to sell this at immigration. Exactly. This is some rough Polish food. Listen, after a good sooning, a nice and grey one, this sandwich is an 8 for me. That's the kind of sandwich it is. When you meet up with your buddy and say, damn, I haven't eaten all day, and you take this, you get tears in your eyes. No, I eat it because maybe that pork knuckle, for me, it's a 7.5, but it's good. It's the kind of thing I'd eat again. I like pork knuckle and canned food. Everything here works for me, and we're not following the recipe. Great, it's cool. Subtitles by Whitfernia PL. Haribo Fondy Crunch. Haribo, 40 grams, cream, 50 milliliters, butter biscuits, 3 pieces, chocolate, 20 grams. Put Haribo and cream in a saucepan, heat 1 to 2 minutes while stirring until thick, then dip biscuits and chocolate pieces in. Come on, Haribo, what kind of pot are we making in the pan? Okay, Haribo, cream, chocolate. Open this cream. Oh, Jesus, give it here. It's strawberry flavored. No. Ugh, no. But you did it really well. Oh, man, this is amazing. Oh, man, hey, this guy's crazy. Hey, it works. Come on, get a bowl, Krzyszu. And I have good memories with the gummy bears. So, I'll be honest with you, I see that there's another way to do it. Because maybe we'll finish eating here slowly. Hey, and now it doesn't curdle anymore like an egg. See, I'm lowering the temperature. Just look at this, hey.
Let me remind you, this was cream, and now you can't see it, so this is going to be one big gummy.
Oh wow, so fruity, but interesting, good. But you could use it for something. Oh no, be quiet, I can't tell you about it. When it sets on this. Hey, this could be awesome, and you're a cannibal, honestly, but not me. I just do it from time to time. Oh, but it's already getting thick. Look, something's about to happen. And that's the teaser, right? But it's cold. Ah, okay. And that's what I'm most curious about. Sorry, it's solidified. Check out this caramel. It's a different dimension. Oh no, oh how good it is.
Wow, this is the best ice cream. Oh man, it's not just a topping. You can't find anything like this in stores.
If ice cream is like a 7 for me, then with this it's a 9, and this sauce is delicious, but it's good. But it's not just a sauce. Fry.
Listen, you know, sometimes you can tell if something is good just by the sound of your scream.
Like when there's that
Krzysztof, you know that's a trap, right? What is it?
Let's try the sauce first. Well,
Oh, wow, that's really good with the ice cream. We're really gonna eat something delicious here.
From the top, scoop here for winter, then from the top again.
Oh, Jesus.
But this is seriously good. But none of the producers realize that once it sets, it's better than Haribo. It's like creamy Haribo.
It's kind of liquid, but it sets a little and turns into a kind of jelly, yeah.
But it's delicious because it has cream and fat in it. There's no other sauce that sets like this. Nothing else sets like this.
That's it, and thank you.
Thanks for my money. I need to leave now. Mine. Sorry again, but good moves, but that booty in the back was nice. Primoge, Chad told us to keep pushing. After all, crackers, not those.
Ones are definitely better.
Hi, have you seen our book with the craziest, best, and tried and true recipes with ingredients you can find in any store? The things that have made the biggest culinary impression on us in recent years are in our ebook, which costs less than a kebab. Yes, we also think that 28.50 is an insanely low price. The link is in the description.
Uppergate, instant noodles, frankfurters, mozzarella. Fry the frankfurters until crispy for about 4 minutes. Make the instant noodles, then add the mozzarella and frankfurters at the end. Mix it all together. Put the water on. I'm cutting the frankfurter. The frankfurter goes into the pan. Hey, don't you think it's kind of small? What is this? Some kind of barotu? Ooh, I'm pouring it in, boss. And that's it. Finito. Not that good. You cover it with a plate. Have you never... You know what? I cover it for 3 minutes, I think. I think the mozzarella needs to go in now. I think the mozzarella is good. If it was supposed to be a handful, well, that's a handful. Cheeses. Ooh, wait, are you already adding it? Krzysztof, look, even the broth formed. Oh, look at those droplets. There's 1 spoonful. Get me a small one.
Hey, God.
Hey, but you can really smell it, but it's a good soup. You can smell the sausage, but it's a good soup. Wow, what a good cheese soup. We took the 4 cheese soup and I think we streamed it.
Very good, delicious. Very good. I'll say, I shouldn't say this, but every student should do this. Cook. Primosh.
Well, I'll say this, voice after voice. 8. Cheese.
So I loan him 4 cheeses, not...
And you know what I would do? I think instead of mozzarella, I would put in those cheese rounds, those little cheese triangles. You know, it would be even more cheesy and creamy.
An Asian journey, but only in Poland. But would you say that it's really cheesy, just cheese? Well, it's just cheeses.
Nice.
I would call it cheese, right? But kiba, chew.
Oh, this is Chinese soup. Like I said, the starting point is between 8 and 8.5 minutes.
Can I get Chinese soup in 8 minutes? But this dish takes its own time.
And I like soups, so I'll take it, yeah.
That's it, let's move on. Orange cottage cheese dessert bowl. Mix the cottage cheese with syrup, add chopped orange, semi-fat cottage cheese, 120 grams maple syrup, 15 orange, another piece, so there's a lot of orange. I haven't eaten this kind of cottage cheese in a long time. Since when? It's so creamy. Oh, because you took semi-fat. Ole, Krzychu, it smells like Christmas, I'm telling you. What are you doing? Well, we'll remove these white parts. Why? Well, then eat it. You don't like it. I'll tell you this. I'm making an official statement. I'm recording with them in a duo. If I ever cut their fingers, it can't be my fault. Please release this now. Cutting off a finger, I'm not responsible. Well, for the 15th time, I have to be careful if this guy won't take it from me here. Because seriously, Krzychu, I'll cut your thumb off. That's not good. Oh, Jesus, what's going to happen? Because it has to be delicious. I'll handle it and cover myself. Don't worry about the syrup. It'll be maple syrup. Yes. Oh, wow. Did you spill that juice too? Whoa, man. Oh, man. Whoa. Oh, wow. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. To your health. But it's good. I love it. God, that cheese with orange really hit the spot. They're walking hand in hand. That's a couple. That's a couple. And maple syrup is taking their pictures. They feel so good together. It's great. Primosh.
With cheesecake. Give it, hey.
See, you got it. I don't feel it. Yeah, try it. Good, right, good, bravo. This is one of the best sweet cottage cheese mixes.
Sort of.
Replace the maple syrup with honey.
Well, I would add a bit of jam here, maybe some peach jam. I think it could sweeten it up a bit.
I see, Primoz. You're the type who used 11 ingredients for homemade pizza. Let me tell you this.
The only thing I can do is grate this milk chocolate and throw it on top. Hey, yeah.
But it's like, it doesn't overwhelm you, the sweetness doesn't clog you up, you can eat something balanced, exactly refreshing, yeah, so moist.
Bravo. You know, do you know why I feel sad? Because I can't describe to the viewers how much maple syrup adds.
Yes, very much, because this maple syrup is something special on its own.
I'm sure that people don't really like it. I don't like it really, but in dishes it adds something. It doesn't set the tone, it disappears, it's not sugary. It's kind of different, it's sort of on the side, always there. And your shortcut is like, well, it is.
An orange has a sweetness scale of 4. It gives it 6, not 2 of a different kind of sweetness. Yes, I don't know how to say it. It kind of boosts it. So yes, thank you. Primoz, no, not yet.
Cappuccino, no, was it there? Hater, but if you add it to our numbers, it creates cappuccino foam without a frother. The coffee tastes like dessert, instant marshmallow coffee. Pour hot coffee over marshmallows, add cream and stir. Coffee and what?
I was sticking it together with cocoa like this. The lady piled it on for me, probably since 6. I ate one of my colors and got so sugared up I didn't want cocoa anymore.
That's good, appreciate it. I made one so we could share, not one for everyone, but that's crap because it gets eaten. Grab a fork, but it's slippery. Oh God, the cocoa is still sticking to the marmalade all the time, but there's a coating slippery. Good, nothing's dripping here, Kshiku. Coffee, regular coffee with cream. Don't try it yourself. Did you think we'd let your faces slide for the viewers? Is that the best part of this format, man? Do you know this format? I eat what I like. Oh, these puddles, Koshki. Oh ho. But it's better than coffee, seriously. As a person who drinks coffee, I'll tell you nothing. It's a shame. A shame about nothing. A shame about the fat. A shame about the sugar. I'm happy now. The chat wrote me different paths, but we agreed on one thing. I don't know if you heard it like that. Let Primoz be the smart guy. Let him give 4 ingredients. We'll sit here. In my opinion and Christoph's, that's gonna be the best. Sorry, Martin, from this episode, 10 years in life. God, you've been with Primoz for 18 years. I know you better than my wife, and I know that if you say something will be good, you'll be in the family. But you took the words right out of my mouth because I feel the same way. Do you want to detox me? The best dish from this episode? Yes, it will be the best dish. Because we decided that since artificial intelligence won't be 100% effective, then pure stupidity might be able to beat it. There's always something missing, so method number 6 won't be created by Jack Generative Pre-trained Transformer, but by Primoz CPT. Since you've always missed having a tangerine in today's episode, make a dish that won't be missing anything. These are yours. The room is for you. These are yours. We'll sit on the side. This is your moment of truth.
You'll be going back and forth, and I know what I'll do. The room, make Krzysiek angry. No, there was already coffee. There was. Already. There was. Already there was. Here, this is the 5th, and the 6th is yours. Oh, wait, this one is better than the previous one, but well, it's good, you'll manage. Now, there are no objections. I'm not disturbing, so here you go with the chat further. All right, first of all, laughs and giggles. Let's leave him for a moment, but don't point at him. Oh, the guacamole bowl. Nastreven je dat je pa. I held back from dessert. Oh damn, much tester. It was spoiled. Damn. Hey, don't eat that. Oh God, all right, Primoz, but we're such softies, please. You've already played out the scene. All right, that will be for the entrance, just like that. Here you go, boom, click, let's add this, garnish it with salmon. No, I don't eat junk, I eat kids' dishes, cream cheese, a bit of cream maple syrup. Could you pass me the milk stuff?
Oh, you see, there's milk in these ingredients. What doesn't he understand? He shouldn't be cooking from the table. Exactly. I found the milk myself.
And what is he doing? Sauce. He took everything he had, man. The cook, he was making that new bomb. All right, now we can throw one in. We'll heat it up, biscuits, and we're good to go.
Done. I wanted to say, to file a complaint, that if this works out, it was too easy. Sorry, we always have pre-Moshe's clause. So good.
Oh no, I'm not saying anything.
You're welcome. So sweet.
Unfortunately, I would probably try it separately because the smoke from the ossipek, the smoke ruins it, really. It's better, but I still taste that smoky cheese. Aha, and the amida is sour, so it turned out sweet and sour. For me, it's good, but delicate, very subtle. Like with banana, I would, maybe, but as a sauce, I think it's very good. It's not too sweet, it's quite balanced. Yes, not overpowering, maybe with banana.
It's a bit like pudding. Yes, it's kind of like a pudding texture.
Hey, wow, but this is more like something where you just need to pour a little bit on top and that would be enough because on its own it's already pretty rich, but I like the taste. Yeah, it's good. Well, of course, because Marcin made it. Ma'am, I mean the recipe. Today felt half-hearted to me. The previous episode was more intense, with everything getting smashed.
Dear ones, I'm a little tired, but it was tasty. See you next episode. Take care. Bye.